The Black Cat Meditation. As with all meditations, do not listen to this while driving, operating machinery, or being responsible for anyone else's well-being, or doing anything other than sitting in a safe environment. Take a moment to get yourself comfortable. Sitting down, maybe shuffling in your seat while you sit. And maybe take a couple of deep breaths just to relax your body down. That's right. Just allow yourself to relax and allow your eyes to close. Take another deep breath in and out, and allow your breathing to return to a comfortably slow rhythm. And in your mind, think of a black cat, a jet black cat, with a fur as black can be. And the black cat has golden yellow eyes that contrast against the black fur. And imagine this black cat walking along a black path on a street. And as the black cat walks on the black path, the sun sets, bringing on the dark of night. And the black cat walks on the black path in the dark and comes to a black fence. And the cat has been walking around all day long and is becoming sleepy. And as the black cat walks, every step getting sleepier and sleepier, until the black cat decides to lay down. And it lays down, the black cat, on the black path in the dark, dark night in front of the black fence. And it closes its eyes to rest and relax. Now, notice how the black cat's breathing slows right down as it rests. Notice how your breathing matches the black cat's. Now count your breaths in and out. slowing them down, slower, slower. And continue for as long as you can hold your attention on your breathing and the black cat laying on the black path in the dark, dark night in front of the black fence. And just relax. That's right. Just like the black cat, breathing in sync, relaxing together. Nothing to see, nothing to do. Just relax. And when you're ready, bring your attention back up to the room. Become aware of your arms and legs and notice how you're sitting. And take in a deep breath and clear your chest and lungs and feel your eyes refreshing under your eyelids. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling fully refreshed and alert and feeling amazing in every way. That's right.